Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to easily reset your Omron BP7450 Sphygmomanometer, and it's very easy guys. What you need to do here is on page 38 of their manual. So to restore your monitor to the default settings, okay, what you do is while holding the Bluetooth button, you'll find it at the rear surface of the monitor. Basically, you will find it there at the bottom surface. You just press down on it and hold the start or stop button for more than 3 seconds. Okay, and the display will be flashing as per below. So you basically hold both of these together for more than 3 seconds. Now, while holding the Bluetooth button down again, guys, you press and hold the start button for more than 3 seconds, and the display will stop flashing. Then your monitor is restored to the default setting, and this is what it will show. Okay, and what you need to do is press the start or stop button to turn your monitor off. Now, after completion, the ear flashes on the display, and then you need to just set the date and time manually. Okay, or what you can do is pair your monitor to set the date and time automatically, right? And don't worry guys, when you revert to the default setting of your monitor, this does not delete any information in the app. But otherwise, it is really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Find Your Solution. And I'll see you in the next one.